Can yoga reduce belly fat? Yes, it can. But you have to couple it with caloric deficit and a good Sattvic Ayurveda diet plan. How can yoga reduce belly fat? First of all, we need to understand if it's real belly fat or a bloat or a hormonal imbalance. Through yoga, we can handle all of these issues. You know that you are what you eat. So you have to first understand what food or beverage items you are intolerable to or that your gut is allergic to. For example, some people cannot tolerate dairy, and that's called lactose intolerance, and sometimes they don't even know it. So try and identify what food and beverage items are making you bloat. Could be dairy, it could be refined sugar, it could be simple carbs, it could be alcohol, it could be seafood. So first of all, understand what makes your tummy bloat and reduce those items or eliminate it from your diet. Then if it's really belly fat, you can do asanas such as Navasana, Falakasana. In yoga, Navasana is boat pose and Falakasana is plank pose, where you directly target the belly muscles for a good exercises in strengthening and reducing the fat. You can also do backbending asanas such as Ostrasana and Dhanurasana, where your belly gets a good exercise by stretching from the front. Not only that, but also reducing the stress levels by directly targeting the adrenal glands on top of the kidneys at the lower back. You can also do twisting asanas such as Ardha Matsyendrasana, Parivurta Trikonasana, Parivurta Parshva Konasana. Try Pavan Muktasana. Pavan Muktasana completely eliminates the belly bloat. You can also do Salamba Sarvangasana, which targets the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is responsible for our metabolic rate. Because the thyroid gland secretes the thyroxine hormone, it is responsible for the metabolic rate. You can quicken your metabolism by targeting the thyroid gland with asanas such as Salamba Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. Employing Ujjayi Pranama while you do your yoga postures can vastly contribute to fat loss. Ujjayi Pranayama is where you breathe through the nostrils without opening the mouth with a sound from the throat. Do 5 to 10 Ujjayi Pranayamas inside all of these asanas. Employing Ujjayi Pranayama in a regular Surya Namaskar sequence will also reduce the fat in the tummy and reduce the belly bloat. Try and do Surya Namaskars every single day employing Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama is not only good for belly fat loss but also to build a good shield of immunity, relax you, de-stress you, and also to cleanse your system. Pranayama such as Dirgha Pranayama and Kapalabhati Pranayama or breath of fire can help too in eliminating belly fat. Kapalabhati Pranayama is a direct exercise to the stomach as well as a detoxifier. Breath of fire is done this way. You keep exhaling through the nostrils without thinking of the inhale and pulling the belly in while you exhale simultaneously. If you can do this before meals, all 3 times of the day, around 100 times each time, you will see a significant difference in reduction of your belly fat within a few weeks. Kriyas such as Uddiyana Bandha Major, Agnisara and Nauli Kriya are superb exercises for the belly. Uddiyana Bandha Major is a tummy vacuum. You have to exhale and pull the belly muscles in and wait for about 5 counts and inhale again. In Agnisara, you can pull and push the belly muscles inside the vacuum. In Nauli Kriya, which is an advanced practice, you can churn the muscles from side to side inside the vacuum. As I said, this is a progression. Please start from Uddiyana Bandha Major, do it for about a month and then come to Agnisara, and then you will understand how to do Nauli Kriya. Meditations such as Mala meditation and Mantra meditation, even walking meditation can help immensely in reducing belly fat. If you're a beginner, try mala meditation. Using one of these malas, you can touch the guru bead and then slowly come down bead by bead towards yourself until you come full circle with a mantra that you like to chant. It could be anything. It could be a manifestation of your own. It could be about God. It could be about loving yourself or ahimsa. It could be one word or a sentence. Just keep touching each bead until you come full circle. You can get malas of 108 beads or 54 beads. You can inhale and exhale to chant your mantra. Walking meditation is also very good beginner meditation. Keep focusing on the feeling you get as you keep your foot down on the floor or the ground. Then think about raising the other foot from behind and keeping on the ground. Keeping your mind at the present moment and understanding how you feel physically when you do this meditation is the way a beginner should start it. So yes, yoga can reduce belly fat, but it definitely has to be coupled with a caloric deficit Ayurveda Sattvic diet.